What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning, and to yet another Bitcoin update. Welcome back to the daily Bitcoin update. That's also what I used to call it, or what I sometimes call it, because yesterday we didn't actually cover it. Reason for that was explained yesterday, but the main reason is that nothing really changed in the analysis, so there was no added value in doing just another video on it. After yesterday though, we dropped down quite a bit, about 4%. So to me that creates necessity and some value to take a look at it again. Volume has dropped down a little bit, but it's compared to the last month, it's stable. It's at 24 billion, which as you can see is not a lot, but it's definitely more than that 15 billion we hit about 2 days ago. Alright, before we get on to the analysis, I quickly wanted to talk about something new going on at our partners at Fairdesk. So Fairdesk is the cryptocurrency exchange I use for my trades. It's one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges I think out there, and it's still rapidly growing with a lot of new bonuses and campaigns. So go check that out with the link down in the description. If you sign up through that link, you can actually get up to a 5,040 USDT bonus right now. If you need any help with that, hit me up. So the new feature they have at this point of time is Arena V2. So Arena V2 is a new feature where users can earn money just by prediction of the price of different cryptocurrencies. So as you can see, you can just say if you think the price is going up or down within a certain time period, and you can use USDT, Ethereum, or coupons, and coupons can be earned in what we just saw at the beginning of the video with the spins. So using these coupons from those spins, you can actually earn actual money by using those coupons in the Arena V2. So there are different ways you can actually get those spins to get coupons. You will get one by every $8,000 in trading value, which is, if you use leverage, easily achievable. By referring, so for every valid invitee, the inviter will get one free spin, and by joining other events on social medias like Twitter or the Telegram group of Fairdesk. So join right now through the link down in the description. And as I said, there's also still a special first time deposit bonus of 5,040 as a maximum, which you can access. Alright, so if we take a look at what happened is that in the end we actually found resistance at this 24,200 level. And I did expect us, I think, to drop down and then later on in the week reach our next price target at around 25,000 and 25,500. And I still believe that that's the case. I think we'll just continue with this consolidation between 22,400 and 24,200 until we get that breakout out of 24,200. And I'll also allow some room to actually drop down towards 22,000. As long as we're above 22, we're still relatively bullish and above all of the major key areas with Bitcoin. But if we drop down to 22,000, what does happen is that I think it will take a little bit longer before we can reach that price target around 25,000. All right, so it isn't the end of the world if we drop down to that level, but it will postpone those moves a little bit more. If we just stay above 22,400, then I still expect that move somewhere within the next week. However, there's some things going on which need to be talked about. And those things are the inflation rate numbers and the CPI coming out later today. Usually those make the market move quite a bit. I'm not sure what the effect will be in today's markets because the markets have been relatively quiet. It's August. A lot of institutions are on holiday. So I'm not sure how this is going to make the market move, but for safety, we should assume that it will make the market move quite radically. So that could obviously change this whole analysis. And the main thing is that if the inflation rate is way higher than expected, Bitcoin is probably going to drop. As I said earlier, as long as we're above 22,000, we're still fine. If we drop down to 22,000, we're fine, and I still think we can reach 25,000 later on. And if it's actually lower than expected, that could actually cause us to get to that level almost immediately, or not immediately, but within the next few days. So it really depends on that. There's also obviously the scenario if the inflation rate is way higher than expected, that will drop through 22,000. If that happens, as I said, as long as we're above 22,000, we're bullish. If that breaks, we have some problems. All right, if that breaks, we're dropping at least down to that 21,000, 20,700 level. But I could also see it dropping down all the way to 19,000 within the next 2 weeks, if that happens. So yeah, that's basically my whole analysis on Bitcoin for now. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. And for now, I hope to see you all in my next videos, and thank you for watching. Take care.